Pampanga Gym. Fourth quarter now underway with Kamsur down by 2 points. Sabonete is back in the game and he misfires from downtown. They get the ball back. Malyapre, high looping three, and Galoy secures it. Long lead pass, Agustin, hands in the air. He misses. Insha with the rebound. 2 free throws for Insha. And Taguig begins the fourth with the same group with Galoy, Agustin, Insha, Fragoso, and Noel Santos. But just as I said that, Mayo now returning, replacing Noel Santos. Getting a round of applause from his teammates and coaches. Insha now to the stripe. Insha's first free throw is good. Third point in the game for Insha. Second one does not drop. The rebound controlled by Malyapre. Abonete. Here's Almario now using the screen by Habonete. Sidestep move, the left hand layup. What a move by Almario. The dipsy do and the layup using the left hand. What a play, a beautiful move by Almario. Fragoso meanwhile and a hard ball. That's Malyapre falling down hard. Malyapre taking his sweet time to recover from that hard fall. And now Malyapre is up. He says he's okay. As we take a look, Malyapre challenging the shot of Fragoso and falling down hard is Malyapre. And now Malyapre looks like he's staying. No, he's replaced by Sabio. So now Kamsur with the leather, with the Express trailing by 1. And now Abonete will use that screen. Here's Almario against Agustin, the sidestep again, kicks it out to Ariate, in and out, and Mayo secures it. Kamsur has been misfiring here in the second half. Fragoso, what a move! And Fragoso has increased this Taguig lead to 3. Abonete against Fragoso. Backdoor play. Almario uses the glass. Nice play there. Lead down to 1. Galoy against Almario. Galoy outside to Fragoso. Fakes. Fires. Long 2 for Fragoso. And now Taguig hitting their shots just at the right time. Habonete with a strong move. Galoy losing the leather. And that was touched by Almario. Nice move to the basket. Galoy right to Almario. But they turn the ball over. Careless possession there for the Kamsur Express. Agustin against Ariate. The screen by Fragoso. Agustin attacking Japonete. He throws one up. And again, Agustin making a difference here off the bench. And here's Ariate with the answer. That's a Blaze 3. We are tied at 72 in this rivalry game. Insha the drive. Insha way off. And now Kamsur secures the leather. Here's Ariate. Ariate attacking. Spinning. And a basket by Ariate. And Kamsur is back in the lead. Back-to-back baskets for Ariate. Bringing Kamsur ahead. And here's Galoy throwing a foul. But according to referee Francisco, no free throws. Watch this. Here's Ariate using the glass. And then another quick basket. Back-to-back Blaze threes for Ariate to give Kamsur the lead. And now Galoy is on the bench. Magpantay returning for the Kamsur Express as they regain the lead after those Blaze threes. So Kamsur going back to their bread and butter. And Ariate leading that charge. Ariate had a lot of Blaze threes against the Asinderos. He had 4 Blaze threes. And now he has 2 in this fourth quarter. Mayo hands it off. Agustin with 4 on the shot clock. Sampurna outside. Fragoso extra pass. And we will wait for the official word. No basket. No basket according to our table officials. As we take a second look here. Already 0 on the clock. Ball still in the hands of Agustin. Almario. And look at that. Too strong on the shot. Fragoso with the rebound. Foul committed. And a review by the referee. Possible transition take foul. I think that's what Coach Bing Victoria is protesting. So this rivalry game has lived up to it. Close game between Kamsur and Taguig. 3-point lead for Kamsur. But it has been a back and forth affair between the two teams, 2 of the top teams in the league. Let's listen in.
As we reviewed from the replay center, it was a transition take foul on Francis Redondo. 1 free throws for Noy Fragoso.
So the call is confirmed. Transition take foul on Francis Redondo, sending Fragoso to the line for 1 shot. And Redondo stopping the progress of Fragoso on that action. So 1 free throw from Fragoso plus possession for the Generals. That was off to the left. This is our second game of our Sunday triple header. A reminder, later we'll still have a third game. Ticas Kapampangan against Manila MLB. Fragoso against Sabonete. Escapes the defense. Hands in the air. And magpantay. Met Fragoso on top. But magpantay with a foul. And magpantay, forcing Fragoso to earn his points. 2 shots for Fragoso. First free throw is good for Noy Fragoso. Already with 5 points in this quarter for Fragoso. Second shot drops. And a timeout requested by Coach Momomoto. We will take a short break. Faces in the crowd here at the FEU Pampanga Gym in San Fernando for this rivalry game. And most of the fans are also waiting for the next match. Tikas Kapampangan battling Manila MLB. So the home team, the champions from the Governor's Cup, playing at home against Manila MLB. Ball is in the hands of Ariate after that timeout. Almario working against Sampurna. Almario putting on the moves, attacking the baseline, and Almario scoring. 6 points for Almario this quarter. Kamsur with a 3-point lead. Sampurna bounce pass to Mayo. Hands it off to Sampurna. Sampurna with a drive. Outside, Agustin from the foul line. Again, Agustin delivers. And Agustin has been a big boost for the Generals once again. He had 17 against Zambales last Friday. And we have a foul on Dan Natividad. 6 minutes and 37 seconds left in this ball game. Kamsur clinging to a 1-point lead. Magpantay to Redondo. 10 on the shot clock. Ariate against Sampurna. 6 on the shot clock. Foul away from the ball. And it's Almario being called for the foul. Offensive foul. Third foul on Almario with 6 minutes and 27 seconds left. Natividad to Sampurna. Right corner, Mayo. Attacking Redondo. Jumper, too strong. He gets his own miss. Mayo flying in. And he scores plus the foul. So LJ Mayo never giving up, claiming that miss and scoring on the follow-up. Let's watch it again. And Mayo read the bounce perfectly. He knew that the ball will go back to his area. And Mayo, a chance at a three-point play. Taguig retakes the lead. Following that three-point play, Ariate bringing the ball down against Sampurna. The drive. The floater by Ariate. Ariate scoring once again. 8 points this quarter. Fragoso takes the handoff against Habonete. Looking to attack the defense of Habonete. Ball will remain with Taguig. 9 on the shot clock for the Taguig Generals. Sampurna will inbound. Mayo being guarded tightly by Borbe. And Borbe nearly taking the ball away. And nice defense there for Borbe. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Good defense for Kamsur. Borbe deflected that ball away from Mayo. And Taguig unable to throw up a decent shot. Ball game is tied at 79. Ariate magpantay to Habonete. He has been quiet here in the fourth quarter. The drive, no go. Habonete with the rebound, kicks it out to magpantay. Inside to Almario. The extra feed. Borbe unable to score, but he will shoot two. Almario able to find the cutting Borbe inside. So now Borbe will shoot two free throws with 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Borbe with 5 points. Missing on the first. Ball game is tied at 79. 5 minutes and 10 remaining. Kamsur once led by as many as 12 points, but now we have a close ball game. Borbe hits the free throw. Kamsur back in front. Fragoso loses it. Habonete. And now Kamsur finally secures the ball. Ariate waiting. Wants Borbe at the post. And now Borbe with a screen here. Ariate loses it. Habonete recovers. 3-point shot off to the left. And Kamsur gets another chance. Fresh shot clock. Almario against Natividad. Putting on the moves. Almario will shoot two free throws. And Almario doing a good job of manufacturing his offense with those one-on-one plays against the Natividad. And Coach Bing Victoria beside himself. Two free throws for Jerome Almario. That ball around and out. Almario with 14 in the game. 6 in this fourth quarter. Almario over 2. Natividad against Almario now for Taguig. Generals trailing by 1. Natividad nearly losing it. Goes out. Wants a clear out. Crossover move by Natividad at the baseline. Drop pass. Agustin with the basket. Once again. 13 second half points for Agustin. And Taguig has reclaimed the lead. Borbe, handoff. Almario from downtown, short rebound. Mayo on the attack. Outside pass, Azares from the outside. Got it! The 3-point shot by Azares. And all of a sudden, Taguig up by 4. And Camsur has called for a timeout. Watch it again. The extra pass and Agustin making plays once again. The assist to Azares, finding the open man. And Taguig up by 4. We have a timeout. Back here at the coverage of the NBL. Look at the numbers of LJ Mayo. Double-double. 13 points, 13 rebounds, 2 assists. And you can expect those kinds of numbers from LJ Mayo. The MVP of the league. And again, the star of the Taguig Generals. But for this game, he had a lot of support as well from the likes of Agustin, from Azares, who nailed that 3 earlier. And of course, Edsel Galoy also stepping up, giving Taguig a 4-point lead. And now Camsur with the leather. Ariate to magpantay, thinking 3, driving inside, lost it. Turnover, chance at the Blaze 3 for Taguig. Mayo skying in and a foul. Chance at a 4-point play for the Generals and Mayo. Again with a crucial basket. Watch it here. The drive. The finger roll by LJ Mayo. Beautiful. A chance at a 4-point play for Mayo. And all of a sudden, it's an 8-point Taguig lead. Camsur once held a 12-point lead early in the game. But at this moment, Taguig now with an 8-point lead. 3 minutes to play here in the fourth. They go back to Abonete. Kicks it out to Ariate. Ariate double team. Ariate nowhere to go. Outside, Maliapre wide open for this shot. In and out. Abonete gets the rebound. Abonete double teamed again and he misfires. Fragoso losing it, diving for that basketball. Ariate inside and Borbe blows it, but he recovers and scores. Camsur still fighting, down by 6. Fragoso slowing things down for the Generals. Mayo against Borbe, 12 on the shot clock. Mayo wants a clear out. They go to Natividad. Natividad pulls up his favorite shot, short. Rebound by Agustin, and he puts it down. Agustin, what a night for him. Stepping up for the Generals off the bench. 8-point lead for the Generals. Ariate to Borbe. From the corner, the jumper is good. They needed that. Cutting the lead of Taguig. (92-84), 6-point lead for the Generals. Natividad calls play number 1. Fragoso takes the handoff. They go to Mayo. He loses it. Chance at the Blaze 3 here. Maliapre. The layup is good. That's a Blaze 3. And Vincent Maliapre has sliced the lead to half, taking advantage of that turnover for the Generals and Maliapre. attacking and scoring that place 3, only a 3-point lead for the Generals. Coach Bing Victoria scored for a timeout, and we return shortly. Back to the ball game. Look at the numbers of Medwin Ariate. He has been all over for the Express. 13 points, 4 rebounds, 7 assists, and 2 steals. Ariate had that back-to-back blaze threes in the fourth. But so far, the Express still down by 3. Thanks to plays by Mayo and Agustin. And now Taguig with the leather. Mayo will inbound. Galoy setting things up for the Generals. He finds Natividad at the right side. They go to Agustin. Fragoso back to Agustin against Ariate. Cross-court pass. Natividad pulls up from the key, in and out. And the rebound by Kamsur. A chance at the blaze 3 here to tie the game. Ariate. And he will slow things down. He will be patient. Habonete attacks. The layup does not fall. But he will shoot 2 free throws. So now Habonete with a chance to produce here in this fourth. Habonete only 2 points this quarter after exploding for 14 in the first half. So now Habonete now steps to the foul line for 2 shots. It is short. Score stays at 90-87. 68 seconds left. Second shot for Habonete. In and out. Loose ball. Picked up by Taguig, and Agustin has it. Crucial misses for John Habonete. 1 minute remaining. Taguig up by 3. Agustin. Galoy now. 55 seconds. Galoy takes this 3-point shot. Up to the left. Loose ball. Picked up by Habonete. And that's off Taguig. Kamsur with the leather. A chance to tie if they hit a 3-point shot. Borbe against Mayo, posting up. Bounce pass outside to Ariate. Ariate to Borbe against Fragoso. That was last touch by Fragoso with 13 on the shot clock. And they will review that last out-of-bounds play. The referees will review. But looking live, looks like that ball will stay with Kamsur. So a free timeout for both teams, Kamsur and Taguig. Talking things over here. So Coach Momomoto looking to map out a successful offensive set here. Kamsur will have the ball after this review. That is if the call will stand. Taguig on your screen looking to bounce back from their defeat against Zambales. That happened last Friday at home. at the Hagonoy Gym. They were defeated by the Zambales Constructicons 101-95 in a game that saw 17 lead changes. Oh, and a huge call. It is going to be Taguig basketball. Watch it again. So look at Borbe. He will dribble the ball. Fragoso will have the hand on it. And looks like a good call there. Last touch by Borbe. Crucial review. And Taguig now with the possession. 37 seconds. Kamsur still has a chance. They need a stop here. Galoy. Over now to Azares. Fragoso. Escaping a Bonete. Fragoso misses. The tip won't work. Who gets that basketball? It's Kamsur. Oh, and a turnover. A costly one for Kamsur. No one wanted that basketball. And that results into a turnover. Look at the slow-mo. That battle for the basketball. Borbe has it. And then an off-target pass. Maliapre didn't want that basketball. It's going to be Taguig ball when we return after this break. Look at the standings. Group A has Kamsur in front, 6-1 on a 5-game winning streak. But that could end tonight if Taguig finds a way to hold on. Meanwhile, the Generals also ahead in Group B, 6-1, but was coming off a defeat against Zambales last Friday. So a win will cement their place at first. And that will give them more gap against the Zambales Constructicons in the team standings. Here we go. 3-point lead for Taguig. Kamsur needs a stop. Agustin. Steal by Ariate. Ariate with the ball. Ariate will attack. Kicks it out. This is for the tie. No goal. Loose ball taken by Fragoso. And a foul is committed. Almario had that good shot. And a foul committed by Borbe. Azares is down after that hard foul. Taguig escaping, dodging a major bullet there. With Taguig committing a turnover. And luckily for them, Almario missed on that 3-point shot. Azares slow to get up. He will shoot 2 free throws. Talking about Azares. Referees, I believe they are also reviewing the foul, checking if that's excessive. So that window is slowly closing in on the Kamsur Express. Down by 3 with 9.9 seconds left. No more chance at the Blaze 3 for Kamsur. They can elect for a free 3 later. Only a regular foul.
37, Vincent Maliapre, penalty.
On Maliapre.
Third foul on Vincent Maliapre.
So 2 shots now for Azares. He can ice the game with these free throws as we watch the rebound scramble. Then Maliapre forced to foul Azares. So Azares can seal it. First one drops for Azares. 9.9 seconds left. Second one on the way for Chris Azares. He misses. Taguig does not need to foul. Three-pointer on the way for Ariate. Way off. Agustin secures the rebound. And another foul on the Express. So now 2 more free throws for Agustin. And that should do it. Taguig overhauling a huge deficit early in the first quarter. Slowly but surely coming back to this ball game. And now JM Agustin, one of the heroes for Taguig, stepping up here in the second half. Agustin, he was everywhere, cleaning up misses, claiming rebounds, scoring on short stabs, high percentage shots. And we have a lane violation, 3.5 seconds left. Still a small window here for Kamsur. They're hoping for a 4-point play when we return. Back to the action here with the final 3.5 seconds of this ball game. Taguig up by 4. Taguig no need to foul. And in all honesty, Taguig no need to defend here. They can let the Kamsur Express score. And of course, allow them to use most of the clock here. 3.5 seconds left. Here's Dumagtoy. The three-pointer on the way. No go. Galoy with the rebound. And that is it. The Taguig Generals coming back from a 12-point deficit to win this ball game against their arch rivals, the Kamsur Express. The Taguig Generals winning in dramatic fashion over the Kamsur Express by 4 points. And Taguig snapping Kamsur's 5-game winning streak. Taguig improves to 7-1 while Kamsur drops to 6-2. Our best player of the game, JM Agustin. 18 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist. Big difference in this game was JM Agustin. He had that huge second half. And again, JM Agustin, our best player of the game. Congratulations to the Taguig Generals for winning this one. And you can see Noy Pragoso talking to Coach Momo Molto earlier. And the sportsmanship between the two personalities. Again, our final score, Taguig 4-point victory over the Camsor Express, 91-87 again. The rivalry game lived up to it.